The Cloud SDK enables a user to run GCP command line tools from a local desktop. Installing and configuring the Cloud SDK is the next topic. The Cloud SDK is a set of command line tools that you can download and install onto a computer of your choice and use to manage resources and applications hosted on GCP. The G-Cloud CLI manages authentication, local configuration, developer workflow, and interactions with the Cloud Platform APIs. GSUtil provides command line access to manage cloud storage buckets and objects. BQ allows you to run queries and manipulate datasets, tables, and entities in BigQuery through the command line. To install the Cloud SDK to your desktop, go to cloud.google.com/SDK. Select the operating system for your desktop, and this will download the SDK for your operating system on your desktop. Then, follow the instructions specific to your operating system. After the installation is complete, you will need to configure Cloud SDK for your GCP environment. Run the gcloud init command. You will be prompted for information including your login credentials, default project, and default region and zone.